What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're giving you guys an update on an interesting company that we've talked about before on the channel, and that company is called Kwesst Microsystems. Now, Kwesst Microsystems develops next-generation tactical systems. And in this video, we're going to be talking a little bit about the news, going over the stock, giving you guys an update, along with talking about their new investor presentation. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's an awesome update. Also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I'm bringing this update on Kwesst. Also, don't forget to leave us a like. We do appreciate all the content and the videos that we roll out, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos. And also drop us some comments down below. Let us know your thoughts on everything. So, first thing I want to talk about and give an update on was in fact this stock. So Kwesst Microsystems is traded on the TSX Venture under ticker symbol KWE, and it's also traded on the OTC markets under ticker symbol KWEMF. Now, let's spend a little bit of time focusing here on the Canadian ticker. So, market cap of $33 million as of the close. Take a look at the 6-month chart. It does look like the stock has found some support right in and around the high 30s to low 40-cent level, and it has picked back up recently. So the stock's up from around 52-week lows of 38 cents all the way back up to 66 cents right now. So we know it has been a volatile market, but charts are looking a little bit better for Kwesst, and it looks like it might be on the uptrend. So it might be an interesting time to take a look at the company. Now, heading on over to their website, that is Kwesst, KWESST.com, where you can find out more information about the company. We've got an about portion talking about the team, non-lethal, digitization, counter threat, and then investors. So we're going to quickly talk about the company and then go into their investor presentation as well. So Kwesst develops and commercializes proprietary next generation technologies that deliver a tactical advantage for military security forces and personal defense, non-lethal digitization, and counter threat. So you can easily contact someone from Kwesst if you do want more information about the company, but I simply want to go over some important news now. So Kwesst recently provided a corporate update, and they highlighted changes in terms of the operating environment. So what were some of these topics? So hostilities overseas, Canadian trucker protests accelerated in the pace of potential orders, additional growth prospects through pending OEM engagements, company launches international sales and marketing program, and the company filed their fiscal year 2022 Q1 financials. So you can find out all the information in this press release. And I also wanted to state that they also increased their financing. So this was midway through March. The company said that it had closed an additional subscriptions of the non-secured loan financing announced March 14th. The additional subscriptions in the amount of $200,000 bring the total amount raised through the loan financing to $2 million. So this strengthened the company's cash position at a time when it is advantageous to be able to build product for ready delivery of expected orders. So that's obviously a plus for the company. They raised the money. They have a better cash position. Now I simply want to go to their investor presentation and just highlight a couple quick key points here. So guys, next generation tactical systems. That's what Kwesst is all about. So what is their mission? Their mission is to develop and commercialize proprietary next generation technologies that deliver a tactical advantage for military security forces and personal defense. So the Canadian $82.4 billion world market, 3 niche segments, 1 company focus where it counts, and that is non-lethal, products for personal defense, public safety, and realistic training, digitization, real-time situational awareness and targeting for ground forces, and then counter threat. So protection against lasers, electronic detection, and hostile drones. Kwesst has a technology advantage, deep experience, and strong engagement with customers and industry partners. So take a look at the management team, highly experienced management team with many, many years of experience. I simply want to talk about their CEO real quick, just so we can give you guys a little bit of background on Jeff McLeod. So Jeff is a former Canadian RCEME officer and served as system engineer for 3 major Army Crown projects before moving to the private sector. For almost 20 years, he was general manager of Dymaco Colt Canada. He is an expert in the small arms and soldier systems field, as well as all aspects of manufacturing. He founded Kwesst in 2017 to pursue opportunities in networking and digitization of legacy and future weapon systems. So, very interesting guy. Take a look at the rest of the team. Also highly experienced. It's always a great idea to do your own research and due diligence. And a big part of that should be on the people running the company, the team. So, non-lethal. Kwesst develops and commercializes proprietary non-lethal products for personal defense, public safety, and close quarters combat situations. So they've got the Para-Ops, non-lethal products for personal defense, public safety, and close quarters combat simulation. A replacement for dated legacy systems on the market today that are either high energy and can be lethal or are air gun based and often unreliable. So how does the Para-Ops work? How it works and compares to high energy cartridge systems and air guns. So low energy cartridge case and projectiles. Much safer and more reliable. Feel free to pause this investor presentation at any point if you want to get into the fine details. I'm just here to highlight the key points when it comes to what they're doing and their technology. So Para-Ops firing device launchers, low-cost personal and professional series launchers in various patterns that fire only Para-Ops cartridge. So they're taking a brand ambassador strategy, which is actually a great idea, especially in this day and age when, influencers are a really great way to get a product out there, get the name out there, or sell certain things. So they've got Brandon Tatum, quality example of one of our best brand ambassadors. So you can take a look at his channel. He's got a pretty interesting channel, and he also does videos on Kwesst as well. So Brandon specializes in public relations, social media, outreach, and trade. So here's a little bit about their commercialization model, their outsourced production plan. So in-house, it's developed and demonstrated, short-run production plan, and then full volume production plan. And that's how many units they plan to create in terms of launchers and cartridges as well. So here's a little bit more information when it comes to their commercialization model, their sales and order fulfillment plan. If you're looking for specific dates for specific times, feel free to pause this slide and take a full look at this. Always also highly encouraged, if you are a prospective investor or even current investor and you want to learn more a little bit about the company, download that investor presentation. It can be found right there on their website. So ongoing development. In-house 2022 industrialization capacity plan for fiscal year ending the 30th of September. So then we have Arwen, non-lethal product line. So this was a complementary acquisition completed December 2021. Iconic brand with established yet underexplored customer base of law enforcement in North America and overseas. So then we've got digitization, guys. So Kwesst develops and commercializes proprietary next-generation real-time simulational awareness and targeting technologies for military and security forces. Real-time situational awareness for military and security forces. As we know, training is very important, like in any sector, you could say. Then we've got counter threat. So Kwesst develops and commercializes proprietary next-generation counter threat technologies that deliver a tactical advantage in electromagnetic spectrum operations, or EMSO. They've got the Phantom miniaturized electronic warfare device and the battlefield laser detection system, defending against laser targeting and laser weapons, because that is used quite frequently. GhostNet, the countermeasure against hostile drones, including loitering munitions. So also some anti-drone technology there, very interesting. Now let's talk about the highlights. So Kwesst develops and commercializes proprietary next-generation technologies that deliver a tactical advantage for military and security forces and personal defense. What are going to be some of the market drivers? So the vast growing and evolving threat from lasers, electronic detection, and hostile drones. So what is their advantage? So proprietary and patented technology with no known equivalent today, strategic partnerships with tier 1 defense contractors like General Dynamics. So some information on their manufacturing and go-to market. So guys, let's talk quickly about their highlights once again, and then that will be it for the introduction. So proprietary technologies, accomplished board and management. They are diversified, 3 niches, top-tier industry partners, and outsourced scalable model. So Kwesst is a very interesting company. They, have 3 niches, which I like. There's a little bit of diversity in there, and it's definitely one to watch. Also, we took a look at the stock. The stock chart looks a little bit better. Looks like it's, recovering. So we'll see what happens, guys. I wanted to give you guys an update. Thank you so much for watching the video. I appreciate everyone who watches, follows along, likes, comments, and supports. So we'll see you guys in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.